breathing, but not just breathing. Sometimes you hear normal airflow, sometimes you hear wheezing, as is the case in asthma. Here you can see, if we simply, I'm just trying to make you understand the concept. And sometimes you have crackling in pneumonia. So when these sounds are recorded with a microphone, they are not clean yet. You get silence, background noise, electric hum, maybe even the patient moving the microphone. So our first job before we do any machine learning project or any machine learning implementation is to clean and prepare those signals. And this is what preprocessing means. And we will do this in 3 careful steps here. Now let's start seeing the notes. So the first one is the normalization. We make sure loud and soft recording. And in filtration, only the frequency band that contains lung sounds. And in segmentation, 30 second, 20 second, or whatever